It says to Carmen Borges.
What?
Yeah, 4715 Gare Avenue. Is that where you live?
Yeah.
Is this package for you?
Yeah, open.
I wonder what it could be. You gonna help Mommy? Crack them open, girl.
That was good. It's Lego toy.
Is it a Lego toy?
Jumping.
What are they? Oh, open.
Oh, it's not. Then it's not the Lego shoe.
They're Lego shoes. You can try them on?
The toy.
Yeah, let's get some socks. Oh, got some socks. Wow, they're awesome, hey?
That's the Legos.
Yeah.
That's the Legos.
Get some Legos.
Yeah,
Let's try them on first, okay?
Okay.
Awesome shoes. Tell Auntie Kathy thanks for picking them up.
Thanks, Auntie Jeffy. Thanks for picking them up.
Yay!